Ancient Indians had made significant advancements in various fields such as mathematics, science, surgery, medicine. The modern scientists are gradually interpreting them and acknowledging the same. Here are some famous quotes by world-renowned scientists on Veda, Upanishads and Indian contributions to science. Nobel laureate physicist, genius Albert Einstein said, "We owe a lot to the Indians who taught us how to count, without which no worthwhile scientific discovery could have been made." Niels Henrik David Bohr was a Danish physicist who made foundational contributions to understanding atomic structure and quantum theory, for which he received the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1922. Niels Bohr was fascinated with Vedas. He said, "I go to the Upanishads to ask questions." Werner Heisenberg, German physicist, was awarded the 1932 Nobel Prize in Physics for the creation of quantum mechanics. He said, "After the conversations about Indian philosophy, some of the ideas of quantum physics that had seemed so crazy suddenly made much more sense." Robert Oppenheimer, the father of the atomic bomb, said, "Access to the Vedas is the greatest privilege this century may claim over all previous centuries." After the first atomic bomb was successfully detonated, he remarked that it brought to mind words from the Bhagavad Gita, "Now I am become death, the destroyer of worlds." Carl Sagan, American cosmologist, planetary scientist, and author, in his book Cosmos said, "The Hindu religion is the only one of the world's great faiths dedicated to the idea that the cosmos itself undergoes an immense, indeed an infinite number of deaths and rebirths. It is the only religion in which the time scales correspond to those of modern scientific cosmology. Its cycles run from our ordinary day and night to a day and night of Brahma, 8.64 billion years long. Longer than the age of the Earth or the Sun, and about half the time since the Big Bang." Another quote from Carl Sagan, "A millennium before Europeans were willing to divest themselves of the biblical idea that the world was a few thousand years old, the Mayans were thinking of millions, and the Hindus billions." Here is a quote from William James, father of American psychology. "From the Vedas, we learn a practical art of surgery, medicine, music, house building, under which mechanized art is included. They are encyclopedia of every aspect of life, culture, religion, science, ethics, law, cosmology, and meteorology." Pierre-Simon Laplace, a French mathematician, was the teacher of Napoleon Bonaparte. In his words, "It is India that gave us the ingenious method of expressing all numbers by means of 10 symbols, each symbol receiving a value of position as well as an absolute value, a profound and important idea which appears so simple to us now that we ignore its true merit." The Hindu system of astronomy are by far the oldest, and from which the Egyptians, Greeks, Romans, and even Jews derived their knowledge. Jean-Sylvain Bailly, French astronomer, mathematician. The surgery of the ancient Indian physicians was bold and skillful. A special branch of surgery was dedicated to rhinoplasty, or operation of deformed ears, noses, and forming new ones, which European surgeons have now borrowed. Sir William Hunter, Scottish anatomist and physician.
Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel Quiz Kids and press the bell icon for notification.